The worst part about growing up broke is not that you cannot afford new shoes or that it's embarrassing. It is that you get conditioned to live a life of scarcity. You get taught to save every single penny, don't take risks, fear losing money, and money is the root of all evil. And that same programming keeps you broke for the rest of your life. Now, I grew up broke in a cramped 2-bedroom apartment where I was wearing second-hand clothes worn by other people, where I was getting financial assistance, where the government sponsored my uniforms, my textbooks, where I was getting like $10 for lunch. And as a kid growing up, you hit puberty, you realize all of this shit is embarrassing, your friends are laughing at you, whatever. But the real damage was mental, because all of that belief that was from my parents got passed down to me, and it trained me to save money rather than to make money, to live in lack and scarcity rather than live a life of abundance. And later on, that same mindset followed me into trading. I will hesitate before I enter for the trade. I will make money, but then I will end up giving back the money I've made back to the market, because subconsciously I still believe that money is the root of all evil. That's what scarcity does to you. A lot of people do not stay broke because they are lazy. They stay broke because they are still running the same money programming that they acquired in childhood. They scared to take risks, they think small, they stay in their comfort zone. The real shift is when you stop thinking like someone who's obsessed on saving every penny and start thinking like someone who's focused on making as much money as humanly possible and growing that money.